Hello everyone, myself Darshan from CSC department. Today we are learn about the pointer aliasing. First we learn about the outline of the pointer aliasing. Introduction to pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system. Understanding a pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system. Benefits of properly managing pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system. Technique for managing a pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded systems. Best practice of handling a pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system. Conclusion and future direction. Next, we move on to the introduction of pointer aliasing. In the context of microcontroller and embedded system, pointer aliasing refers to the situations where two or more pointer to the same memory location. In simpler terms, it means the multiple pointer or pointer pointing to the same data in system memory. Pointers are variable that store memory addressing, allowing a programs to access the manipulate data indirectly. When a multiple pointers are pointing to the same memory location, any changes made through one point will affect the data accessed through other pointers pointing to the same location. This can lead to unaccepted and potentially problematic behavior in a program. Come, let's understand briefly about the pointer aliasing. Pointer aliasing occurs when a multiple pointers point to the same memory location in the system. Pointers are variable that store memory addressing, allowing indirect access and manipulation of data. When aliasing happens, changes made through a one pointer affect the data accessed through other pointers pointing to the same location. Pointer aliasing can lead to unaccepted and problematic behavior in the program. Let's go for little deep about pointer aliasing. It can occur when a different variable or pointers are assigned the same memory address or when a pointer access element of a data structure in different ways. Pointer aliasing can hinder a compiler optimization, affecting performance and potentially causing incorrect program behavior. To address pointer aliasing, programmer should carefully manage their pointers, ensuring they don't unintentionally point to the same memory location. Technique to mitigate pointer aliasing include restricting pointer scope, using a constant qualifier for read-only access and employing type qualifier to between pointer type. Let's summarize pointer aliasing. Pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system refers to the situations where multiple pointers point into the same memory location. This can lead to unaccepted behavior and hinder program optimization. To address pointer aliasing, programmers need to manage their pointers carefully and avoid unintentionally aliasing. Technique like restricting pointer scope and using a constant and type qualifiers can help mitigate these issues. Understanding and addressing a pointer's aliasing is crucial for reliable and efficient software operation in microcontrollers and embedded systems. Let's go into benefits of pointer aliasing. Avoiding unaccepted behavior. By carefully managing pointer aliasing, you can prevent unaccepted changes to data accessed through different pointers. Optimize program performance. Effective management of pointer aliasing allow the compiler to optimize the code more efficiently. Reducing memory usage. By avoiding unnecessary aliasing, you can minimize memory usage in the system. Enhancing code readability and maintainability. Properly managing a pointer's aliasing improve the code readability and maintainability. Ensuring system reliability. By addressing pointer aliasing, you can increase the reliability and stability of your system, facilitating debugging and troubleshooting. When a pointer aliasing is managed properly, it becomes easier to identify and isolate issue during debugging and troubleshooting. By knowing which pointers are pointing to specific memory locations, you can track down and fix problems more effectively. In summary, properly managing a pointer aliasing the microcontroller and embedded systems leads to improve program behavior, optimize performance, reducing memory usage, enhanced code maintainability, increased by system reliability and easier debugging and troubleshooting. Here are some techniques for managing pointer aliasing. Restricting pointer scope. By limiting the scope of pointers to specific blocks of code or functions, you can reduce the chance of unintentional aliasing. Usage constant qualifiers. Applying the constant qualifier to be pointer indicates that it meant for read-only access. Employing a type qualifiers. Type qualifiers such as violate or restrict can be used to different between different types of pointers. Avoiding a type of punning. Type of punning refers to accessing a variable throughout the pointers to the different type. Let's move on to the future directions of pointer aliasing. In the future's advancements in compiler technology and programming languages may provide better support and tools for handling pointer aliasing. Compiler optimization can become more intelligent in identifying and optimizing code that involves pointer aliasing. Additionally, programming languages may introduce stricter type system or built-in mechanism to mitigate aliasing issues. Conclusion of pointer aliasing. In conclusion, understanding and managing a pointer aliasing in microcontroller and embedded system are crucially for reliable and efficient software operation. By carefully managing pointers and avoiding a unintended aliasing, we can prevent unaccepted behavior, optimize program performance, reducing a memory usages, enhance code readability, and ensure system reliability. Guys, do like, share this video. Thank you.